Hey guys, this is a history and today we will talk about how to leap your jams after jam session. I will consider a little bit about Steel Beat Pro and you will get to know what is this Steel Beat Pro. Just subscribe and stay together with us. This is a licensed formula that's fire against bacteria, neutral to your oral healthy. As per official website, this is advanced dental health supplement that's available in form of capsule. Guys, subscribe and stay together with us. Since all ingredients added in Steel Beat Pro are completely natural and sourced from the best place, you know that you are not taking in a chemical that can further damage in your mouth. The supplement is also of high quality, ensuring that you don't have face of any negative effect. Here before you are just benefit of it. You can pause the video and you can check it for a little bit. And the one who is providing information to you is Swags Biz Dara 6. Just subscribe and stay together that you cannot miss and further review about Steel Beat Pro. The gradient of this is like how you see on the picture, which is lining on your face. This is Swags Biz and this is a history. Stay together, subscribe, like. Get more information of Steel Beat on the provided link below. That's where you can buy it or you can get more info.